Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut Cinematic Text tutorial. In this guide, you will learn how to make your video text stand out with cool effects. Follow these simple steps to create impressive cinematic text using CapCut. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have imported a video to the timeline. Add a default text from the Text tab. Change the default text. I have selected a bold font and increased the size of the text. I have also increased the character spacing. Go to the Animation tab and set the animation type to. I have set the duration of the animation to 2 seconds. Select the text and create a compound clip using the right mouse button. Create 2 more duplicate copies of the compound clip using the Alt plus left mouse button. Hide the top 2 video tracks. Select the first compound clip. Go to the Blend option and select the Blend Mode to Overlay. I have reduced the opacity of the video to 50%. Select the first compound clip and add the rectangle mask. I have changed the size and position of the mask. I only want to show 2 characters from this compound clip. Unhide the second compound clip. I have added the horizontal mask, rotated it, and changed the position as needed. Unhide the third compound clip and add the horizontal mask. Rotate the mask and change position accordingly. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.